Good work, good work. Good job, good job. We're in Palmer Park. This is Ascent Cycling Series race number 4 here in Colorado Springs, and this is the Pro and Cat 1 race. You guys are getting after it. Good job, good job, good job. Five races in the Ascent Cycling Series. The next one will be on Wednesday, August 8th at Bear Creek Park, and that's when the series championships will be decided. Should be pretty good. Got very competitive racing. Good work, guys. Good work, good work. Good job, good job, good job. Look at him, Tracy. Good job, good job. Good job, good job. And I believe that's the last of it. One more coming. Good work, good work. Some tough riders, some good racers here in Colorado Springs.